Belly, the one-stop shop for all essentials like snacks, beverages, grocery items, packaged food, cosmetics, stationery, fresh and organic fruits and vegetables, meat, household goods, toiletries and many more. Leave your kids at the playpen while you shop for all your household needs, all at a reasonable rate. Hurry, visit Jolly Belly Supermarket for ready discounts and offers. Step into the store and leave happy. For details, contact Jolly Belly below Mikado Restaurant, Police Bazaar at 7005-668657 and 98630-60336. Teachers under the banner of the Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body had organized a peaceful protest rally on the 9th of November 2021 to press on the government for their pending salary of 5 months. The rally decided that the association will give the government 2 weeks' time to resolve the issue, or else they would file a PIL against the state government. Speaking during the gathering after the rally, members of the association expressed their disappointment at the stepmotherly treatment of the government towards teachers, while also highlighting the poor literacy rate that the state has projected in the current census. The members also demanded the stepping down of Chief Minister CONRAD SANGMA and the Education Minister LAHKMEN RYMBUI from their positions should they fail to fulfill the demands of the teachers.
Tengah susu ban penpau Sya kasorkat MDA Haswa ki ar hajar khat pra Nilamat ya kini kisok thang ha kasorkat MUA 2 Bat haswa ke election jeng ke ar hajar khat pra Pila ay ngi ke oksigen Leng ba ke delegation jeng kini ki association demi sadari mentah enda pilawan hakabor pisaino ya ketugo oksigen mat yak kini ki SSA teachers ha Meghalaya ka proof kumta
satang katno bagi minister ki jongi ro pajbau pasan kat yaki kinsu sim dak stampat bat bendor kam da utom in person namar ka jing shardar palat jong ka pule ka puthi ka jongi.
The president of the HYC Donbok Langkarlingdo, while showing his support to the teachers, said that the treatment meted out to the teachers by the state government implies that it is not at all concerned about the future of the coming generations. He also added that while Meghalaya will be celebrating its 50 years of existence, yet the state government does not have a university of its own.
To get his own salary when you have done your work. Mr. CONRAD SANGMA, why? Can you answer us why? That you make our teachers, that you have reviewed the status of the teachers into a burger. Will you tell us why? What they have done is it wrong to teach the underprivileged student? Whether it is wrong to give education to the underprivileged student in rural and urban area? Whether it is wrong that these teachers have sacrificed themselves for the betterment of the society as a whole. If you cannot protect the interests of teachers, we humbly request you to step down from your esteemed office. Because if you remain in that office much longer, we may feel that Meghalaya, by the next census, the literacy rate will reduce to less than 50%. And I'm not surprised that we will be at the bottom of the list. If you keep on playing with the interest of the teachers, and not just the teachers, Mr. CONRAD SANGMA, you fail to give scholarship to students. You fail to increase the salary of the ad hoc teachers, of the deficit school teachers. You fail to build school till date. When MEGHALAYA is about to celebrate 50 years, we haven't have just one small university on its own. Is this the futures that you would like to see in the next few years?
Speaking on similar lines, the president of HITO, Don Bokdakar, blamed the government for living in denial by not addressing such issues. He further said that if the government does not come up with an early solution, the association, along with the teachers, will have to resort to legal action.
We are not pig, we are not an ass. Remember, our deputy CM, he need to go back to school. I have seen, I have heard how he pronounced MEGHALAYA. Meghala. Where the heck is Meghala? This is the system of our education in our state. Kano, papang kadok kamsen kejonga. Bani I, balahami madan di kinong hikay. Kibanuan hikibala hikay yang I, yakalenti kapabha. Henry, Pause, Pia Kanyan Ben Yaki, the Kanmao, Kumbala Kren, Menesadin, the Kiramba, Kinong Hikai, Jumi, Kalaomba, they will be a master, Pek Kikala, master, the Jusneo, Ni Kloy, the Kanmao. We are ready that the Pirong Hano Ganoka, Santaro. Damshen Menakane, Ilai, Kastit. Kejongi ini kelak konkret ya kata tamasa hak arupsan penriu ke cherry blossom festival. Tahang masuk jingkep nyelabo juga jingkho sekarang government bahkan penduk pendam sa yang mentau senam ya kenduk di festival kibakan shim kenang bahkan yo sa berseu ya kutulop jom pisia kinong hikai go besarwa siksha abhiyan school. Kata menjeng habenongren ibu delan yagi posi Henry Sarkar MDA Hilakren nonsense, we will act nonsense, but they this week, they are going to file a PIL direct